In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneDrive account. Get started now, 5 minutes. If you're switching from a personal to a work account, moving to a new organization, or just need to sign in with a different profile, this quick walkthrough will help you change the account OneDrive uses on your Windows PC while keeping your files safe. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon on your Windows taskbar down by the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and it should appear there. When you've found the cloud, select it to open the OneDrive menu. In the OneDrive menu, click the small gear icon to open the Settings menu, then choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive Settings window, which is where you manage sync behavior and account details. From here, go to the Account tab. This tab shows the account currently linked to your PC and the storage status. Now select Unlink this PC. Don't worry, this action signs you out of OneDrive on this device and stops syncing, but it does not delete files that are already on your computer, and it does not remove anything from the cloud. A helpful tip before you unlink: check that all files have finished syncing so you don't leave any pending changes. The cloud icon should show that syncing is up to date. Once unlinked, OneDrive will prompt you to set it up again. This is where you relink or change your account. Choose Sign In, enter the email address and password for the account you want to use, and complete any verification prompts. During setup, you may be asked to confirm or change the OneDrive folder location on your PC. You can accept the default or pick a different folder. If you're switching accounts, it's best to choose a clean folder to avoid mixing files from different accounts. Continue through the prompts to select the folders you want to sync, then finish setup. OneDrive will reconnect and you'll see the cloud icon return to the taskbar. If you open Settings again and check the Account tab, you should see the new account listed, confirming the change worked. That's it. You click the cloud icon, open Settings, went to Account, unlinked this PC, signed in with the new account, and followed the on-screen steps to finish. If the icon doesn't show up, launching OneDrive from the Start menu can bring it back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you switch your OneDrive account smoothly.